Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're on day 4 and hopefully the 4th and final coat of polyurethane varnish is going to go on to the RF. So we'll start as normal by giving the Dulux a quick shake up. Not too much, don't want loads of bubbles in it, although the bubbles don't really matter. I'm going back in with my pipe cutting tool to gently open the lid. Right, so we'll turn the DC supply on, you'll hear the motor start running and see everything start rotating. Here we go again. 4th and final coat, hopefully. Hope you can see how thick I'm putting it on. You can see the brush picking it up and moving it along. So that's number 1 done. Let's move over to number 2. And here we are on number 2. Coming straight in. Nice decent coat. I always find keeping the brush at this end, not at the end, sorry, at the front of the rotation, stops me from getting drips like that. So now we've got it coated, we'll slow that right down. just tidy this paint up. I might give it a bit more of a run down actually. So we've got a bit of a blob just here. Right, so that's that one done. I'm going to do this one off camera quick. There we go. Just giving them both a run down with the brush. Let's have it about there. And that's them both finished being varnished. That's the fourth and final coat. And we'll just leave them to dry again. Takes a long time to make these, but taking your time and moving it to dry properly is well worth it. I've got a little bit of dirt in it just here, you can probably see it going around. Don't know how that's happened because I've kept my paint really clean. So that's them painted. Final coat. Everybody doesn't realise how many days it takes just to make 2 coils. So I hope you enjoyed my varnishing the secondary coil all RF chokes over the 4 days that I've done it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all. I would really appreciate it if you would just give me a like, and I'd appreciate it even more if you subscribed to see me finish the rest of the build. It's going to be worth watching, and once it's running I'm hoping for really big lightning. So thanks for watching again. Bye bye.